Franco ni Jay Cuenca. Siya yung doon nagsimula yun eh. We're so proud of his performance. Go ahead, Mother B.
Okay. And on that note, mga kaibigan, matalik na kaibigan sa Entertainment Press and television crew members, we are wrapping up the press con now. Pasensya na po, we are running out of time. We still have Abunda and Aquino live in a few minutes. But you would have the opportunity to talk to Coco, Kim, Jake, and Julia outside for the television crew and some members of the Entertainment Press if you wish to stay. Ito lang po ang mga huling habilin ko. We will not go on anymore na parang bawat member ng cast natin magsasabi, please support us, please watch us, March 10. Paulit-ulit, di ba, nakakatuliling ng slide. Okay. Keywords to remember. Number 1, if you write your articles and you publicize in your television features, please, we honor Kim Chu and Sian Lim, di ba? The Kim Si tandem is bongga, di ba? But, please naman, Kim is gonna go for this project because she believes in it. Sian is also a member of Dreamscape and ABS-CBN, and he also has a project coming soon. At may pelikula sila in third quarter of this year. Let's give Ikaw Lamang a chance. Let's give Kim and Coco a chance. Ito tungkol sa talking, whatever. Alam ko, naaaliw tayo sa mga social media ng mga love team, keme, and all that stuff. Pero utang na loob, magpakatotoo na tayo. The vision of ABS-CBN and Dreamscape is to give high-quality entertainment to the Kapamilya viewers, planetary, universal. And if that will be growth for all of our actors po, naghahanap buhay rin po sila, kumakayon sila. Mukha lang sila glamorosa ngayon on stage. Pero wala kayong idea kung gaano kahirap ang trabaho na ginagawa ng mga artista ng Ikaw Lamang and all the shows of ABS. Okay, number 2, our pilot is on March 10, Monday. Time slot will be announced to follow. Huwag tayo maging ahead of ourselves and risk my 13th month pay. Number 3, diba? Salamat sa lahat ng loyal supporters ni Jake, ni Julia, at Coco, at ni Kim na nagpunta ngayong gabi. See you in Kainoma on Sunday. So ako na po ang magsasabi in behalf of our cast and our 2 directors. Maraming salamat for coming tonight. And suportahan nyo ang Ikaw Lamang at hindi lang po ang Ikaw Lamang, lahat po ng teleserye ng ABS-CBN. Kasi po mahalaga para sa mga kababayan natin sa buong mundo. So now, you will have the ample opportunity, this will be fast, like maybe 5 or so minutes, to have photos to have photo opportunity. Mga kids, you can come down, it's allowed. Mother B-Boy will defy security. Marshals, let them pass. We will now have Jake, Kim,